I don't understand what Intro Boys means or what, because if you have a good start and then you're playing in the finals, and then you will say that's Intro Boys because you don't win the championship. But if you have a bad start and then you still go to the finals, how do you call that? And then how do you call the other teams that playing in the finals that they also don't win the championship? So do you call them also Intro Boys or not successful? So it's unfair to the team, it's unfair to the players and to the whole coaching staff. Because they don't know what happened, kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa organization namin, sa team namin. Kung anong ginagawa namin everyday just to give ourselves or the team a chance to win or to win the championship. Hindi rin nila alam yung mga nangyayari sa team namin outside the court, di ba? So halos kami lang yun. But you know, we still respect the opinions of the other people because you know, that's life. Kailangan mo talagang respetuhin sila, di ba? And that's their opinion. So, but yun nga, hindi naman namin kailangan bigyan ng malaking factor yon o malaking pag-iisip na kailangan natin isipin because yun nga, hindi naman nila alam yung nangyayari sa amin araw-araw. We just try our best, give our best every single practice and every single game. Di ba? So, I think hindi namin ginagawa yon para magkulang or kumbaga para kapusin, di ba? Lagi ko naman sinasabi yan our goal is to win a championship. But of course, the other 11 teams, that's their goal. To win a championship also, di ba? So hindi lang naman kami yun Hindi lang kami nagdadasal, hindi lang kami nagtatrabaho. Halos lahat. Ang pinaka-importante naman is, para sa akin, is every time na maglalaro kami, kailangan laruin namin, be professionals, and respect the game. Which is, I think, yun naman yung ginagawa ng mga players. And then, if we have a chance to win, we will grab it. Right now, we have multiple finals appearance after, yung sabi mo after the championship. We have multiple semifinals appearance after that. And I think, yun lang, medyo ganun Hindi namin nakukuha di ba? But we try our best. Ang problema lang doon, siyempre, yung kalaban mo, ganun din naman sila Ganun din naman And then, pag sila naman yung iba naman pumunta sa finals, meron din naman talagang isang manatatalo at mga mananalo Di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng dalawa yung mag-champion, isa lang talaga. So, hindi ko pwedeng sisihin because most of the fans naman, siguro, they are avid fans, they want to win championship also. Pero yan lang po. Kami din po ganun Kami naman po ganun din ang dream namin Di ba? Now, if talagang nagkulang kami, hindi namin nakuha, talagang we're very apologetic and humingi kami ng pasensya na tinapos ulit kami, hindi namin nagawa. Pero hindi naman po kami nagkulang. Hindi naman kami tumanga, hindi naman kami nagpahinga, hindi naman kami natulog lang. Nagtatrabaho kami para mabalik ulit yung championship. So, yun. And hopefully we can find a better solution for that. And hindi kami titigil hanggang hindi natin nakukuha.
Nakabasa ka ba ng mga coach, mga negative comments?
Actually, hindi ako nagbabasa. Minsan may social media, nakikita ko ganun, pero hindi ko naman siya binabasa hindi ko na siya binabasa ng kung ano man yung comment doon. Kasi for me, naniniwala ako na hindi naman din magiging factor yun para sa akin I mean, kung babasahin ko siya, sometimes hindi naman yun ang paniniwala ko. Okay? So, may mga principle naman tayong sinusunod.
Stick to your principles.
Yes. Oo. And then, I think na yung path na yun naman yung sinusundan ko lang na path Which is, yung path na yun is, I'm trying my best na yung path na yun is always on God's path. Di ba? Kasi hindi ka magkakamali dun
Yes, coach.
Di ba? Hindi ka magkakamali yun sa path na yun. Sometimes siguro, baka maliko ka ng konti. Pero pag bumalik ka doon sa path na yun, yung pa rin yun. Yun nga Meron yan sinasabi, if it's not hindi pa yun yung time mo, you just be patient. Si Jesus nga, ang haba ng pasensya sa atin. Bakit ba tayo kailangan magmadali, di ba? And that's my belief na naniniwala ako doon na kung hindi mo talaga time, ginawa mo naman lahat. Ganito yan eh, everybody, siguro, if you're a Catholic or if you are a Christian, you always pray, di ba? You always pray. And then, lahat naman tayo gumagawa. Gumagawa din kami ng paraan para mag-champion. Tatrabaho kami. Maybe twice a day, minsan isang araw, pero grabe naman yung trabaho. Pero lahat ng team siguro ganun. O siguro, hindi naman lahat, but majority. Di ba? But of course, hindi lahat yan magkakapare-pares ng blessing. Di ba? Maybe iba yung blessing sa San Miguel, iba yung blessing sa Ginebra, iba yung blessing sa amin. Kailangan lang maniwala ka na yung time mo dadating. At yun naman ang sabi ng Panginoon, di ba? Your time will come as long as you believe. Your faith is there. So, keep the faith.